Event type: civil emergency. Description: this alert is due to the pistol star going through a stage higher than its hypergiant phase. A stage which isn't known at this time. It isn't clear if a supernova will happen.
Alerte d'urgence. Event type: urgence civile. Description: cette alerte est due à l'étoile du pistolet en passant un stage plus haut que son hypergéant phase. Une étape inconnue à cette fois. On ne sait pas si un supernova se produira.
A civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties/areas. New York, at 8 a.m. on May 8, 2023, effective until 10 a.m. Message from WPXN. Multiple reports of rising temperatures have been reported across the entire state of New York. Please do not go outside, as you may suffer from second-degree burns. Make sure you drink plenty of water to stay hydrated.
This alert is issued due to the star known as Pistol Star, which exploded as a supernova, making it look like there is a second sun. The beams of light from the supernova will strike the Earth in about 20 hours, blinding anyone that looks at it in the sky. Avoid eye contact with the supernova.
Alerte d'urgence. Event type: administrateur. Description: cette alerte est émise en raison de l'étoile connue sous le nom de étoile pistolet qui devient supernova, faisant ressembler à une deuxième étoile dans le ciel, et frappera la Terre avec ses puissants faisceaux de lumière dans environ 20 heures. Aveuglant quiconque le regarde en quelques secondes seulement. Évitez de regarder le ciel.
This is an emergency action notification. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WXPN. We will be discontinuing programming. You should now tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. This station will be discontinuing programming. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. This is an emergency action notification. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WXPN. We will be discontinuing programming. You should now tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. This station will be discontinuing programming. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This is emergency action notification number 2. Red guard. Please do not turn off your television at this time. It is important that you listen carefully to this alert, as this is pertaining to an ongoing global crisis. Our world is coming to an end. A star, named Pistol Star, has exploded, causing a supernova to take place. The beams of light from the supernova are expected to impact the Earth within 20 hours. NASA has confirmed that there is no way during an event like this. At this time, gather all family members in an underground shelter and await the final moments of life on Earth. If you are part of a religious denomination, pray to your God or gods. The President has selected verses of the Bible to be played on the air. Titus 12 to 15. As soon as I send Artemis or Tychicus to you, do your best to come to me at Nicopolis, because I have decided to winter there. Do everything you can to help send the lawyer and Apollos on their way, and see that they have everything they need. Our people must learn to devote themselves to doing what is good, in order to provide for urgent needs, and not live unproductive lives. Everyone with me sends you greetings. Greet those who love us in the faith. Grace be with you all. We will conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system with the final playing of our national anthem. After the anthem ends, all television, internet, radio, and communication services and outlets will go dark. May God save us all. This concludes our broadcast.